Kiviharju multi-story parking lot. One on one speed only. Sinä on niinku tupla ja Kiviharju lot.
The elevator, all the elevator is down there.
Yeah. Fishing equipment condition. It's actually bad. I don't know. It's big like a metro station elevator.
Is it 2013 and 11491166?
Nice serial number.
Yeah.
Here we are, it's now Michael Street.
So 1,275 kilograms.
How many rides per elevator?
Two. What weird shape it?
What?
What weird shape?
What do you mean? The gap?
Yeah.
No, it's basic.
Yeah, it is basic.
Well, the doors are wide and the elevator is
Yeah, doors are a
short.
little bit wider.
And the elevator is short. This is like sideways.
Inspected by, Kiva inspected and maintained by all this or nowadays practice.
We can change elevators here.
Yeah.
Actually, this is not like, just like so, Kiviharju does have a metro station. Big metro station.
Then 12, 11491156. Quite nice serial number.
Yeah.
Oh, 5 here. 5, 6. The other one was 6, 6.
Yeah.
Strange.
Yeah.
And these blood numbers are very nice and rare.
Yeah.
But the floor number is wrong.
What?
Yeah, 06 is really 03 or something.
Oh yeah. Alright, so it is right then. Oh, this 2 test has wrong floor number.
But his says also 03
Oh, that's strange.
on the building,
Oh
on the
yeah.
wall.
Oh. It should be like a 03 A and B or something. Inspected by Kiva inspected maintained by all this or nowadays practice. That's